In this video, we want to find the surface integral over a triangular surface where the triangular surface has vertices 1, 0, 0, 0, negative 2, 0, and 0, 0, 12. The first step is to parametrize this triangle. So this triangle is going to have the form a plus u times b minus a plus v times c minus a. So a is the point 1, 0, 0, b is the point 0, negative 2, 0, and c is the point 0, 0, 12. And a, b, and c are going to be, think of these as just vectors. So a is just going to be 1, 0, 0, and then b minus a, that's going to be 0, negative 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 0. That's negative 1, negative 2, 0. And then c minus a, that's going to be negative 1, 0, 12. So now we can combine these into a singular, or in one vector. So think of this as 1, 0, 0 plus, and then we have the u distributing, so it's negative u, negative 2u, 0, plus, and then negative v, 0, 12v. So we can just add these three vectors, and we get down to this thing. Now let's compute the surface element. So for this one, we're going to have to find the normal, or we're going to take the partials, which will represent the normal vectors. So the partial with respect to u is going to be negative 1, negative 2, and 0, and the partial with respect to v is negative 1, 0, and 12. So now we can compute the cross product and end up with negative 24, 12, and negative 2. Now the next step is to find the magnitude of this. So the magnitude will be each of the components squared, the sum of each of the components squared, and then square root at the end. So that's going to be square root of negative 24 squared plus 12 squared plus negative 2 squared, which simplifies to just 2 square root 181. And that's going to be du dv. So now let's rewrite this. So originally we had inside the integral we had x ds. So we can change x as just 1 minus u minus v, because if we look at the parameterization over here, this represents x. 1 minus u minus v. So that's what goes inside the integral. And then we have the magnitude of the cross product, which we found to be 2 root 181, and then we'll multiply by dv du. So recall that if x is equal to 1 minus u minus v, when v is 0, x is 1 minus u. So integral from v equals 0 to 1 minus u, and then recall that u went from 0 to 1. So that was given to us. So now we just need to integrate this thing. The 2 root 181 is a constant, so that can just come outside. And so now we need to integrate the inside with respect to v. So that's just going to be 1 minus u is a constant, so a constant times v will be the antiderivative, and then minus v squared over 2. Plug in 0, plug in 1 minus u, we'll subtract. And so that just simplifies to 1 minus u quantity squared over 2. Then we need to integrate this from 0 to 1. The 2's are going to cancel over here. And then here, if you want, you can expand it. So to get 1 minus 2u plus u squared. Or you could do a u substitution. But either way, when you integrate, plug in, evaluate from 0 to 1, you get 1/3. So then we just need to multiply by the square root 181 outside to get the final answer as square root 181 over 3.